Hey everybody, my name is Jordan from the Tools team at the Flow Foundation. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to supercharge your existing EVM Wagmi app using Cadence and demonstrating a simple batch transaction example. So to start, we'll start with my existing app here, which is essentially just a fork of the standard RainbowKit starter app. And so the first step here will be to install FCL, or Flow Client Library, which is the front-end library used to interact with the Cadence VM on Flow, and also to install the RainbowKit adapter for FCL. So we can do this as follows: on flow/FCL and on flow/FCL RainbowKit adapter. And once we've added these two dependencies, we can move over to our Wagmi config to incorporate them in our project. All right, so to configure FCL, we're going to want to start by importing FCL as follows here, and we need to set the FCL configuration. So we'll start here by adding the access node API key, which is just like the testnet access node for the Cadence environment. And then we can proceed to adding our Wallet Connect project ID as well here, which is just matching what we already have configured for Wagmi/RainbowKit. And then we can now move on to importing our two wallet adapters here, Flow Wallet and Wallet Connect Wallet, and then add them to our wallet configuration for RainbowKit. And we're all set up now. Now we can navigate to this repository I have here, jrebink/crossvm app, and we can copy and paste this utility hook that I've written here to send a batch transaction. So just taking a quick look at this code we've copied over here, we can see it closely resembles what you'd regularly pass to Wagmi when running a transaction, but under the hood here, it's running an array of transactions inside of this single Cadence script, which we execute using fcl.mutate as regular here, as it's going to use the user's session that is being authenticated with RainbowKit because we've installed that adapter. So to actually import and use this batch transaction utility, I'm going to move over to my UI here. I've just got it boilerplated with like showing my Cadence and EVM address. Cadence comes from FCL and EVM comes from Wagmi respectively. And so to start, we'll want to import the utility function, obviously. And then next, we're going to want to call this hook, and we're going to want to define some sort of batch transaction we want to execute. I just have like an example here. It's a wrap flow and then spend wrap flow in the same transaction, but obviously you can use whichever ABIs, whichever transactions that you want to here. And then once I've got this transaction, it's just as simple as adding a button here and displaying the result. So now I'm going to connect my wallet to the app, and I'll choose Flow Wallet here since this is a Cadence-aware wallet, and we can interact with both the user's Cadence address as well as their Flow address through both FCL and Wagmi respectively. And you can see Cadence up top here and EVM down below. And I'll click on the Send Batch Transaction button that we made. And you can see here that I am approving this Cadence transaction now that wraps up multiple EVM transactions. Once I've approved this, you can see that pending is true. We've got a transaction ID, which is a Cadence transaction ID here. And then now we've got our results where we've got all of your transaction hashes for the EVM transactions and their respective statuses. So at this point, we've succeeded in supercharging our EVM app with Cadence. Please visit developers.flow.com to learn more about Flow EVM and how you can benefit from Cadence in your own app.